Morning everyone, welcome to Built Before Brunch. This is going to be a hands-on AI workshop. Thank you from the people who have put this on. Scede, your embedded talent partner, and Jack and Jill, AI recruiting agent. So the aim of this session is to get everyone hands-on building with their LLM. One of the headline stats is the majority of teams are now actively using LLMs, and the two most important tools for TA leaders now are still the ATS, so there's still one big recruitment-specific tool, and then the next one is a general AI tool. So this is a bit of a fundamentals shift in how TA teams are working. Let's get building.
So I think just really foundational for me, sort of getting things set up, defining the prompts, really understanding the language behind it.
I've spent the time working with Scede to build an agent that checks our job adverts for salaries and inclusive language.
What I've realised is quite simple it is.
I built an agent to take internal-facing job descriptions and make them more external-facing for our careers website.
Helps me build an interview transcript analyzer which matches it or assesses that against scorecards for interviews.
I built a candidate pack. So you basically just put the kickoff call with the hiring manager, the meeting transcript from that into it, and it comes out with this fancy looking candidate pack. Yeah, it's cool.
Thanks for coming. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you at the next one.